the, I don't know, note that I got, and let's just read what it says. Hello Tejasvi, I love you very, 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 very much. Like a lot. You're like, wow, very, very amazing. I'll just leave it here, making you blush, of course. 2021 is yours, for sure. You know it too. Just be calm, do whatever you think is right, okay? You know it better, baby. And above all, be yourself. Hot, hot, hot. This was meant to be your Christmas gift from your very own Secret Santa, but I hope it reaches you before 2021 starts. Have a great year and life ahead. Babes, I love you. Love plus peace. Secret Santa, babes. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's Secret Santa. I got a gift from Secret Santa. Who's my Secret Santa? Secret Santa, babes. Then bracket me. The Santa has written, can't write my name. Hope you understand. So this is the package that I got from Carousel. I'll show you. Yeah. So I haven't yet opened it, and I will. And it says, please handle with care. Definitely, I will. Also it says, open me pretty please. Pretty please मेरे को कह रहा है, वो मेरे को pretty कह रहा है, okay? और खोलने को कह रहा है, so अब इतना क्या ही रहे तो खोल ही देते हैं, ठीक है? You can follow their Facebook, Insta and everything. It's cute. So I will open this and then show you. I hope my sound comes clear and you are able to hear me. Otherwise I will get very angry, you know, like very, very angry. The fact that I'm in my balcony right now and there is so much noise, as you already know if you see my videos. If you don't, then go and see my other videos after you finish this one. Okay? You just have to ignore everything and just focus on me and this thing, okay? So just focus on this and let's start the video. Yes. So I already removed the packaging that it came in, and now after removing the plastic packaging, it was in this cardboard box, as you can see. Yeah. So the thing is, I was thinking of opening this whole tape and everything, but these people are like very smart, and like this side is open and I don't even need to open the whole thing. I just have to like so yeah, so it's like ekdam sturdy. And also this is their logo, Carousel, very pretty. So I will keep this aside. This time they are giving the planner in this pouch, so I'll just open this. So inside the pouch was the planner. La la la, la 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 la. Woo woo, nikal Tejasvi. Okay. Yeah. This was meant to come out aesthetically, but because I'm Tejasvi, did not happen. So yeah, I'll just fix it and come back to you. Thing is, when it did come, it was like packaged in this paper packaging, and I kept this so that I can show you. So this is how it came with the packaging. It has this packaging which is very pretty on both of them, and I will open them. It looks so pretty, so I thought of showing it before I open it. Yeah, it did not get disoriented like I did it just right now. It came in the planner, and this calendar separately came in this paper packaging, which is like very pretty. You can see it. I'll just zoom in. So yeah, it's like very pretty, and I'm not throwing this. I'll just use this to give someone gift, and I'll pack the gift with this because we're Indian, we're Desi babies, and we work on jugaad. So yeah, also sustainable, so we are going to do that. So this is a cloth bag, and therefore I like it very much, and because this is reusable and can also be washed. So the bag says bloom all year round. Yeah, I zoomed it a little too much. Yeah, so once again, bloom all year round. So this is what the bag says, and you can use this bag for anything. Like if you use makeup, you can put your makeup inside, or maybe you can put your stationery items. I think I'll only put my planner inside this, or maybe my novel. That's what I'm gonna use this for. Let's see. So this was about the bag. So yeah, let's just come to the planner now. So this is the planner. So now I'm going to show you the whole planner and how it looks inside. So this planner is by the brand Carousel, and you can check the Instagram page. I have been wanting to buy their planner since the last year, that is 2020, when the 2020 was about to start, because that is the time they had just launched the planner and I just wanted to buy it so bad, but obviously I did not have any money, so I did not. And this year I thought, okay, we gotta do something. So this year I am my own Christmas Santa, and therefore I gifted myself this. Yes, I did. So let's get back to the planner. Next page says make space for the life you want to live, and has a beautiful illustration. And then there is a page for habits I want to transform. So there are some lines, I think 10 to 12 lines, where you can write all the habits that you want to form in 2020. It will be just a review so that you can see, okay, these were all the habits that I wanted to change during 2020, and I definitely know one or two which I want to change. Okay, I know all of them. Yes, I know all of them. So let's get to the next page. Okay, so basically, because this is an undated planner, it does not signify that this is month of January, but it is. So this is the month of January, and it doesn't say month of January. They have left the space for us to fill. So I'll just write month of January, and then there is everything. So I'll show everything that a month has, but I'll show it in the January one. I'll show it in February, because even though it is undated, I'll show this thing in February because my birthday comes in February. Yeah, your favorite YouTuber's birthday comes on February. So babies, please don't forget to wish me, okay? So don't forget to wish me on 10th of February. See, I also told you the date. So basically this is for the month of February. So before every month starts, it has some illustration on the left hand side, and for February it says take time to make your soul happy. Obviously it's my birthday, I need to be happy. Also you guys also need to be happy because it's my birthday, okay? So on the right side it says things that bring me joy, and I'll just fill out all these things in February. So let's get to the main thing, that is February's planner. We'll write month of February, and then they have this whole calendar thing. So from 1st to 28th, so you can just fill up everything that you want to. Like if you have something to do on 1st, 2nd, 3rd of February or anything, you can just write here. So this is a mini calendar sort of thing. And then this has in the bottom it says starting the month with. For this space you can choose any word that you want to be your mantra for the whole month. Like you want to be happy, or you want to be bold this month, or you want to be creative, you want to be more outgoing, anything that you think you want to be that month to be. So that you have to write on this part. So I really like the color of month of February, kind of olive color. It's like very pretty. And on this right page they have this space for monthly goals, so you can write all the monthly goals that you have for that month. Just in short, write all your monthly goals. Then it has expense tracker or expense planner, so you have to write all the bills and all the amount you have used in that particular month. And this is a very useful thing for people who are like impulsive buyers. I'm not. So people who are impulsive buyers, and for anyone, if you want to really calculate how much money you use monthly, always like, bro, I don't even know where my money goes. Like, I don't. So maybe buy a planner, make this space yours, write all the things whenever you buy anything, even a small thing, even if you buy a toffee. Yeah, they don't have like that space, yeah. But still, you can write everything that you buy and then write the amounts, and then after a month you can calculate. This side has space for habits. Basically it's like kind of this, yeah. So this space is for habits. Basically it has 6 rows, so you can have 6 of your habits, and that's enough for a month. How many habits you want to change in a month? So yeah, so it has 6 habits. Just write all the habits that you are tracking or you want to change or anything, and then they have all the dates from 1st to 31st, and just tick mark and see are you following on your habits or not. If we take an example, let's take an example. You are trying to drink more water or you're trying to exercise, so you wrote here exercise, hydration, and then every day just tick off or make a cross or make a circle. Basically do anything that signifies, okay, that day I did that habit and it's done. So let's go to the next page. Next page has this space which says make it happen, and basically this space is for whatever you want to do the entire week. So suppose we take the first week of February, so write everything that you want to do in this particular week, everything, and then after writing everything, spaces are for particular days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So every day you have to write to-do list of each day, and you can just tick off your task whether you did or not. It also has some space and it says remember to. So many times it happens you remember to do things and then you don't write them and you forget. So just write it here, and after the week ends, like on Sunday noon, Sunday evening, you can take some time out of your life, out of your day. So just take some time out of your day, then you can just journal your feelings, or you can just write whatever you did this week, anything that you have in your mind. You can use the space as a brain dump sort of thing, so it's up to you what you want to do. Also they have this kind of prompt which is not exactly a prompt, but I don't know the word, so yeah. So it says a new thing that I learned this week. So whatever you learned that week, you could have learned anything, like maybe making tea, or maybe just doing some exercise, anything, basically anything. Even if it's like very very small, just write it because it's an achievement. So just write that thing, whatever you learned that week. Basically this thing is going to continue 5 times. They have these kinds of pages 5 times because we have 30 to 31 days. So even though this is for February, because it's an undated planner, it will have 5 pages. So on the next page again you can write everything. This thing will continue for 5 times and for all the weeks, and you can schedule your whole month through this and also track your habits as we saw. So this was for February, and after this February month ends, they have some pages like plain pages, not exactly plain, bulleted pages. So these are for journaling. You can journal anything that you want, your feelings, what you want to achieve, or what happened that month, or if you want to write a story, just write a story. You can do whatever you want, it's your space, so do whatever you want to. And I really like this page, to be honest. This is my favorite thing, that they have kept some space, because I want to write so much, and because the front part did not had all the things that I wanted, but this has space and I love space. So because it has space and you can write anything you want, and it's almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 pages, yes. So then we come to March, and yeah, it's the end. It's not the end, I mean to say this is how the whole planner goes. So this is for March, then we come to April, May, June, July, August, September, and that is how it ends. Yeah, you will be thinking what is this, I will tell you. Then after the December month ends, the planner ends with a pretty little illustration of a cup which has some flower on, and maybe this is rose. Yeah, so that's it for the journal. I keep on saying journal, but it's a planner. It's a planner, okay. And after the planner, at the end of the planner, we have something like this, and this contains stickers. For the stickers, Carousel had made separate pages for the stickers, and I liked it better. So yeah, and they were pretty, and they were just at the end of the planner. And if Carousel ever watches this video, please bring that again, because it was like real pretty and it looked better and was much cuter, to be honest. So if we come back to the stickers, I really like the stickers. They are like so pretty, and I'll just see all the stickers that they have sent. And if you come to the first page of the sticker page, you can see they have like this milestone wala. They have this milestone sticker, and if you see this video, just subscribe, because if we reach a milestone, then I can use this. So after we reach a milestone of 1,000, 10,000, 50,000, and then 1 million, at 1 million I'll use this milestone. I'll use at all the milestone, to be honest, but till then I'll just use little victories, because all the victories are important. So subscribe to the channel, baby, so that we can use the milestone wala sticker too. And then we have this birthday wala sticker. which I'll use for my birthday, because it's my birthday on February 10th. I'm reminding you once again that it's my birthday on February 10th, so do not forget to wish me February 10th. Remember, it's your favorite YouTuber's birthday, February 10th. Wish me, yeah. Then we have You Got This, Well Done, Zen Mode On, Hell Gay, Slow Down Love, all these. And then we have this washi tape, and I like this. It's very cute. They should have given more of these, but it's fine. Then we have stickers of grateful, blessings, celebrating something, which is my birthday, which is my friend's birthday, which is Christmas, because I also like Christmas too much. Then keep going, don't give up, and let's start over. Then we have this sticker page, which is very cute, and they have like so many plants, so cute. And this one says Plant Lady. You can see my plant in the background. If you can't, you can. They're in the background only. Yeah. So my babies are at the back of the camera. So these are some really cute illustrations and stickers. These are some books, tea, cake, pizza, soup, burger, everything you want to eat, and also eat like healthy food. It does not have healthy food, but you need to eat all the seasonal foods and all the everything like vegetables and fruits. So yeah, so eat them too. And this has water, so hydrate yourself. So these are like really pretty, of cupcake, good vibes. See, all of them are like very cute. It has a home sweet home. Right now I'm not at my home, means I'm at my home, but basically in my balcony. So yeah, but still home sweet home, my happy place, and good vibes only. If you're my friend, will have only a good vibe. Okay. Also, it has date night. This one thing I have to like see if I will get a chance to use. Woo. If I get, I'll see. Yeah, because for now it's just the diagonal one that is reserved for myself. Then it also has like bloom at your place. So these are so pretty. You will be thinking, why am I showing all the stickers and reading everything? But these are like so pretty. How can I not show you? Then this sticker page has breathe, savor, appreciate, bloom, cherish, indulge, everything written. These are just words, and then there are illustration at the back of them with beautiful colors, and so pretty. Then this is the sticker sheet, which is the last sticker sheet, and it just has quotes written on them. But even after writing just the quotes, it is looking so pretty. And if we read some of them, it says dare to begin, which is like the most difficult thing in life, but dare to begin. Also, it has victories, let your faith be bigger than your fear, you're capable of amazing and much amazing things, and find your focus. So, and all of them are so beautiful. All of these quotes are like very motivating and inspiring, and I like quotes, to be honest. I love them. I always keep on finding new quotes and through books and just keep on writing them. So I like this very much. I like this. Yeah, and this birthday one I'll just use for my birthday. So I'll just keep this back, and yeah, I'll use all my stickers by myself because this is my sticker sheet. If this baby corona goes and lockdown ends, then you can ask and maybe I'll give you some stickers too. That is it. We have this beautiful illustration back at the planner. That is the planner, very sturdy, very beautiful, and the pages won't come off. I'm sure it won't. It also has a bookmark, and it's very beautiful, and also you can carry it anywhere with you, always, every day, because the planner, you have to plan your every day. And you can also take your bag that we got along with it. Apart from this, I also brought this calendar. So these are the calendar that I got from Carousel, and this is the stand basically on which this is going to stand. So first I'll just show you. So this is the stand, and yeah, it's like this. So this is the stand, this is the calendar sheets, and these are all movable, so you can just change them after the month ends. So this is for the month of Jan. It says dim the lights and breathe in moments. So it's like very pretty, very small, and the paper is also very good. January. Then for February we have soak in the company of loved ones, and I'm your loved one. This is my month, and this cutie is me, and I don't know who this is, but this cutie is me. Let's see who it is. And for this month, February 21, February 2021, Wednesday 10th is my birthday. I'm just reminding you once again, 10th Wednesday, February 21. So that's my birthday. Happy birthday Tejaswi in advance. So do wish your favorite YouTuber on her birthday. Yeah, she's turning 21 on that day. Happy birthday Tejaswi. We all love you so much. We love your channel so much. We love you so much. So getting back to these, so this is very pretty. I really like these candles. I have a candle like this only. Relax your favorite fragrances, and then cozy up your nook and embrace being safe wherever you are. Also, these are kind of prompts or quotes, something like this, and like indulge in your cravings. So this is for the whole month, and so this is how it looks like. So it will be like this only. Then you can just change. For example, you have to keep for January, just remove and keep for January, or then February, remove and keep it at the back. So it's like very easy to use and easy to keep. It has a bag which is very sturdy. It's made of wood. So now you will be thinking, what is this? And I will tell, wait. So this is the calendar and the planner that I brought, and the kit that I got was for about 1,400 at the time that I brought them. And just after I brought it, Carousel put a sale, and I was like, no. So yeah, I asked them if they are having any sale, but they said no. And then they had a sale, and that too just after I ordered it. Like, bro. Anyways, I was sad for some time, but then I was like, okay, anyways. So I'm kind of, so it's okay because I helped them make some money this year, this Christmas, and yeah, I'm a good human. So yeah, I'll just be grateful for this. This is the, I don't know, note that I got, and let's just read what it says. Okay, so it says, if we read, it says, hello Tejaswi. It says, hello Tejaswi, I love you very much. Like a lot. You're like, wow, very amazing. I'll just leave it here. Making you blush, of course. 2021 is yours, for sure. You know it too. Just be calm. Do whatever you think is right, okay? You know it better, baby. And above all, be yourself. Hot. This was meant to be your Christmas gift from your very own Secret Santa, but I hope it reaches you before 2021 starts. Have a great year and life ahead, babes. I love you. Love plus peace. Secret Santa, babes. Oh my god, it's Secret Santa. I got a gift from Secret Santa. Who's my Secret Santa? So yeah, love plus peace, Secret Santa, babes. Then bracket me, the Santa has written, can't write my name. Hope you understand. XO into infinity. So of course, Santa babes, I can understand that you love me so much and you can't tell your name because you're shy. Don't be shy, just tell me who you are. Or XO means hugs and kisses. Thanks so much, into infinity. Yes, I do understand, Secret Santa, you can't tell your name, but I love you so much. Thank you for this. 2020 is going to be mine, you know it, right? In fact, every year is going to be mine. Thank you so much, Santa. You believe in me. I also believe in me. Thank you so much. I love you. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Because Secret Santa believes in me, you also have to believe in me. So like and share this channel before I blow up. Bye, babes. Bye, babies. Good night. So yeah, that was the thing that I got, and everything I can just put it back into this bag, and this is the thing that I love the most, because otherwise I will just pour everything on my planner and no time it will see the end. So I'll just keep it back in the bag. So that's it for the planner and planner review and unboxing or whatever I did here. Hope you like this video, and if you also want to buy planner from Carousel, you can. I will try and link them below and you can buy your own planner. This video gets uploaded before 2021 is started. 2021 is yet to start, and even if it has started, you can still buy your planner. It's never too late to plan things, so just buy it. And I hope you like this. It's such a pretty thing, so buy this and increase your productivity or whatever you want to do, and make plans and all, like whatever. Bye guys, I love you so much. Please like, share and subscribe, please. Bye, love you. And also don't forget my birthday. It's on 10th of Feb. You have to wish me. Bye.